Number 5 says Danny and Doris sold 500 shares of General Mills stock at 57.5. 5 says Danny and Doris McCutcheon sold 500 shares of General Mills stock at 57.5. The brokerage fee was $143.75. 2 years ago, they paid $49.25 for the stock, plus a brokerage fee of $246.25. What's the capital gain? Now, if we look at these problems above it, we need to find the net proceeds. In other words, what they made on the sale. And we also need to find the cost of the stock, or in other words, what they purchased it for. So the proceeds is their sale, 500 shares at 57.5. And remember, that's a dollar amount when we're talking about stocks. Okay. So this is what they're going to earn on the sale, but then they have to pay the broker $143.75. So they're not going to get to keep all of this. We're going to subtract $143.75 from this. And when we do that, okay, so 500 times 57.5 minus 143.75. What they get to keep out of the sale here is $28,606.25. Now, way back when, 2 years ago, they purchased the same 500 shares, but they paid $49.25 for it. And because this is what they purchased it for, what they paid, they also paid the brokerage fees. So this time I add the brokerage fee in because I'm talking about what they spent to get this stock. And in this situation, we're going to have the same 500 stocks purchased for $49.25 and a brokerage fee of $246.25 tacked on. And we're giving them $24,871.25. All right. So this is what they earned on the sale. This is what they purchased it for. So the difference between these two numbers is either going to be a capital gain or a capital loss. That was a 7. Well, since they earned more on the sale than they paid, this is actually going to be a gain. Just gonna move you. There we go. All right, so 28606.25 minus 24871.25. So $3,735. And this was a gain. And I'm listing this as a gain because I can't tell if it was a gain or loss, unlike the previous 4 where we could tell based on the directions what it was going to be. But this is a gain, so I'm going to label it as a gain.